Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change aspect ratio of your photos on Sony A6400. Let's begin. In order to change the aspect ratio, all you want to do is go to the menu, and right in the first page of the menu we can scroll down and change the aspect ratio. As you can see, we have three things to choose from. We have 1:1, 16:9 and 3:2. The most normal and probably most common aspect ratio in photography is 3:2. And in order to see a different aspect ratio, we can just simply go back, and as you can see we have a much bigger scope now. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.